Hi there, students. To raise eyebrows, to raise a few eyebrows. Eyebrow raising as an adjective. Raised eyebrows as a noun. Okay, let's see. Firstly, you can raise your eyebrows. Yeah, that's a good example. But let's see. If something raises a few eyebrows, it shocks people, it surprises them, or it offends them. Normally because of some unconventional action or some unconventional words or something that people don't do. Yeah, and this suggests that these people are disapproving. They think, whoa. Yeah, they raise their eyebrows. Um, he told a few dirty jokes at the party, which certainly raised a few eyebrows. Yeah, very often that raised a few eyebrows. His pink hair raised a few eyebrows at school. Yeah, okay, so it shocked some people. His salary is enormous, and it certainly caused a few raised eyebrows. Yeah, people were disapproving, probably because it was so big. Yeah, some of the things he said raised eyebrows, made surprised people. Yeah, normally negatively, critically. Yeah, to cause people to react with surprise or with a bit of disapproval. That's not very good. Okay, so yeah, he went to the wedding in a jeans and t-shirt, and everybody else was wearing a traditional suit, and that raised a few eyebrows. It caused a few raised eyebrows. Notice it's raise because we always use this phrase with eyebrows, so it always has a direct object. Can't be rise. Okay, so to raise eyebrows, to surprise people, to shock people, to offend people. Yeah. So, yeah, the book that he's published is bound to raise eyebrows. Yeah, it's quite an eyebrow raising book. Yeah. Yeah, his latest song has some rather obscene lyrics, and that's going to cause some raised eyebrows. It may well raise eyebrows. It may well shock or surprise or upset people. Okay, so that's the idea of raise eyebrows or to raise eyebrows. To cause surprise, to cause mild disapproval. Yeah? And then, well, formality, that's going to raise a few eyebrows. I think I would give it 4 in formality. I think you could definitely use it in an informal conversation, use it in a semi-formal conversation. I think you could just about use it in a semi-formal writing, but nothing more formal than that. And then as to origin, well, the origin is very clear. When you're surprised, you raise your eyebrows, and that's the idea. So something that raises eyebrows, what? And that's it. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Raised eyebrows, to raise eyebrows, eyebrow raising.